high precision production, high capacity utilization, cost efficiency and less energy consumption. Whether fab, gigafactory or electronic manufacturing, all of them are having the same challenges. High-end automation technology is the key to scale your production as well as to maximize your efficiency potential. Beckhoff offers with PC-based control a central and scalable solution for the whole value chain. It starts with the wafer processing in the front end, going to chip packaging in the back end and further to the electronic manufacturing. A perfect example are the EtherCAT plug-in modules. This is a combination of a standard component and the customer-specific PCBs. Therefore, you can get rid of the single wire wiring as well as minimize the machine footprint based on the compact design. Further information about the industry will follow by then.
Thank you, Marcel. In addition to our powerful control technology, Beckhoff also offers intelligent transport system, perfect for the semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, such as X-Planar with its free-floating movers. The contactless product transport prevents contamination. High transport speed and precision with the complete freedom in the product flow allow you to rethink assembly and test processes in your manufacturing. Compared to traditional conveyor systems, X-Planar enables you to build machines with higher throughput and reduced floor space requirements. The full integration of X-Planar into our control technology makes the transport system an integral part of the workstations. For example, for laser dispensing or vision-based applications. Beckhoff's comprehensive product portfolio provides you a suitable control solution for every process step in semiconductor and electronics manufacturing.